Alright, today we have a Gigaset Cordless phone that as you can see, that I ordered off Amazon, and Amazon has made an excellent delivery just in 2 days. They've shipped from Chennai and it's come to Pune in just a time of 2 days, which is as great as usual. You guys can see the phone. The phone is a cordless by Gigaset. It's not a very well-known name, but let me tell you, Gigaset was actually Siemens, that you must be aware of, a couple of years back, and if I'm not wrong, they changed their name from Siemens to Gigaset a couple of years back. Now I'm just gonna go and tear off the tapes, and I'll show you the inside of the box and the proper unboxing. Just give me a moment. Alright, so there goes off the tapes. Okay, they've sent an invoice, which is again as usual. There goes the invoice. I got this cordless for approximately 2000 rupees, 1998 to be very specific. Let's take off the remainder of the tapes. The packaging is always good by Amazon. It's excellent. It's almost same with all the online shopping companies. Okay, so this is the box, Gigaset A490, and I've ordered a white model. Now let's check what's inside. You can see the actual price is almost 2400, and Amazon has given it with a discount of 400 rupees for 2000 rupees. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so what's in the box? So there's this manual, alright, and there's this wrist. This is the piece on which you'll obviously keep your phone. Interesting part is, yes, there you go. The most interesting part of it is the cordless. Phone looks pretty good. Nice buttons, no problem. The battery is inside the box. Yeah, the battery and the cover of the battery compartment, and then there's this cord that will go. Okay, the charger. So there's the phone, the battery, and again there's one more cord that will go in your phone. So yes, this is it. This is the unboxing of Gigaset A490. Thanks for watching, and hope you'll come back for more.